Plasma technology, your partner for surface treatment. The final results are high-grade surfaces with a plasma surface treatment. The plasma process provides clean, residue-free or activated product surfaces. It is a green process since solvents are not used. It doesn't matter if your product geometry is complex, has breakouts, rounded areas or milled sections. Plasma operates independent of surface geometry to achieve a first-class product surface. After the product part is in the vacuum chamber, the chamber will be evacuated and the plasma process will be started. The surface of the product part will be modified to your requirements by utilizing a selection of different gases. Because of the micro-sandblasting, your surfaces will be cleaned residue-free. The contamination will be detached from the surface through the impact of ions. The usage of reactive gases provides chemical reactions on the product surface. During the chemical reaction, the gas bonds with the contamination. This generated reactive gas is extracted continuously via the vacuum pump, along with the contamination. The carbon chains of the contamination are broken up by the UV portion of the plasma. A further special characteristic resulting from the plasma process is the ability to coat the product surfaces. The introduced monomers will be polymerized. The wafer-thin generated layers may, for example, exhibit scratch-resistant and water-resistant, or can be used as adhesive layer. After the plasma process, you have high-grade prepared surfaces for further process steps like bonding, painting or spray coating. The product surfaces are residue-free of contamination and active for successive processes. Here are some application examples where plasma treatment is the only guarantee for the highest quality of product surfaces.